Today, I'm bringing you a mouth-watering recipe that is both simple and irresistible. Buttered garlic mushroom. Hi guys, welcome back to Blessings Kitchen. I'm so excited to share with you this recipe today. So, let's get started. For the ingredients, we need 300 grams of mushrooms, 42 grams of butter, 9 grams of minced garlic, salt and pepper to taste, and a fresh parsley for garnish. Begin by cleaning and slicing your mushrooms to prepare for cooking. And if you enjoyed today's recipe, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support means the world to us. Now, heat the skillet over a medium heat and add the butter. Once melted, toast in the minced garlic and let it sizzle until it's fragrant. It's time to add in our sliced mushrooms. Spread them out evenly in the skillet and let them cook until they turn a beautiful golden brown, absorbing all that garlicky goodness. And don't forget to season this with salt and pepper to taste. Trust me, it's these little details that make all that difference. Just look at these gorgeous mushrooms. The aroma wafting through the air. Wow, and the flavor is incredible. Thank you so much for joining us today. And if you enjoyed this video, do sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipe. Thanks for watching and bye.